It's Little Caesars time. It's time for your family and friends to get delicious pizza, cookies, or other treats. For you to have some fun, do your part to help, and even win some prizes. Take your papers home and share them with your family today. Everyone who's part of the sale will be helping in a big way, so don't put it off. You'll be getting a sale information letter, a prize chart, and a Little Caesars catalog filled with pizza kits and treats ready to make it home. Pizza kits are a box filled with 3 large Little Caesars pizzas. They're made with a special Little Caesars crust and the same secret recipe sauce, cheese, and toppings found in all the Little Caesars restaurants. You can order pepperoni or cheese pizzas, crazy bread, brand new gluten-free pizza kits, personal pizzas, and more. There is something for everyone because everyone you know loves pizza and cookies. Share your fundraiser with everyone you know. Your number one job is to take your papers home, share them with your family, and have a safe fundraiser. So that means never sell without the help of an adult and never sell door to door to people you do not know. Take orders for your Little Caesars items on the order form you'll find in the back page of the catalog. Friends and family can order online using the school ID code you'll find in the sale information letter. Start your fundraiser today and be sure to bring your orders and money back by the turn-in date. As part of the sale, we like to have fun and reward everyone who helps out. The more items you sell, the more you'll help the school, and the more prizes you will earn. Everyone who sells 2 items will earn a fun mini sneaker keychain. But if you can sell 6 items, you'll get the prize from level 2, plus a fun mystery prize. If you sell 11 items, you'll earn all the other prizes, plus a reversible flip stuffed sea creature. Everyone who sells 17 items gets all the other prizes, plus a giant monster spike ball. Are you a superstar fundraiser? Will you help by selling 20 items or more? Then you'll win a sneaker keychain, a mystery prize, a flip animal, a spike ball, plus a giant pizza slice sequins pillow. Take home your papers today. Share your fundraiser with your family today. Everyone you know will want to help you raise money and win prizes. All you have to do is ask. Thanks for your attention. Be safe, have fun, and thank you for being part of your Little Caesars Pizza Kits fundraiser.
Pizza, pizza.